In this video, I'll show you how to join a Google Meet meeting. Joining a Google Meet meeting is simple, and Google says there are a few common ways to do it. You can join using a meeting link, a meeting code, Google Calendar, Gmail, or the Google Meet app. On a computer, one of the fastest methods is to open the link from your email or message, then click Join Now. If you were not added to the invite, Google says you may need to click Ask to join and wait for the organizer or someone already in the meeting to let you in. First, let's look at joining from a meeting link. Open the email, message, or calendar invite that contains the Google Meet link, then click it. Google says this opens the meeting window where you can check your camera and microphone before entering. After that, click Join Now. If you do not have a Google account signed in, Google says you can still join many meetings by entering your name and choosing Ask to Join. Another easy option is using a meeting code. On your computer, go to Google Meet, enter the meeting code or nickname, and click Join. When the preview screen opens, check your mic, speaker, and camera settings. Google says you can change these before joining by using the device controls on the preview screen or by opening the settings menu there. Then click Join Now. You can also join from Google Calendar if the meeting was scheduled there. Open Google Calendar, select the event, and click Join with Google Meet. Google lists this as one of the standard official ways to enter a scheduled meeting. In Gmail, some users also see Meet directly in the sidebar, which gives another quick way to open or join a meeting. If you're joining on a phone, the simplest way is to install the Google Meet app and open the meeting link from your invite. Google says the Meet app supports joining scheduled or instant meetings with a link, and on mobile, it is usually the easiest experience. Before you enter, it's a good idea to check your microphone and camera. If your internet is slow, you can turn the camera off before joining to improve call quality. And if the organizer's account supports it, some meetings also include a dial-in number for audio-only access. So the basic steps are simple. Open the Google Meet link or enter the meeting code, check your mic and camera, and then click Join Now or Ask to Join. That's how to join a Google Meet meeting. Hope the tutorial was helpful, subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video.